Are you planning a pregnancy? Then preconception, you should know the 4 important points. Start your folic acid tablets, get vaccinated against rubella, stop your alcohol and smoking habits completely, start a balanced diet at least 1 month before planning a pregnancy, and check your blood sugar level, thyroid status and hemoglobin typing of both husband and wife.
Ya kane ka Karbi Bhavan latay hagajinglot kabakot arpuway klur san paulak tengka da ka Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council KAAC. Hagane kajingalang u Dr. Himanta Biswasarma badu Conrad kongkal sangma kila buru yaw monong rem bantay ya ka hostel ka basis pa jingthya bad ka commercial complex. Hagane kajingalang ledan langru sembut Menteri Rangba Kejela Meghalaya u basnyaw balangdhar u Chief Executive Member ka Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council u Dr. Tuliram Ronghang u Chief Executive Member ka KHADC u Bapeniat Sing Siem bat kibe-kibe. Habakran na kajingalang u Himanta Biswasarma u ai kublay ya ka KAAC kabalashna ya ka Karbi Hampton bat ai kublay ru ya kajingyo jingkershan nak Sarkar Meghalaya. Ulang mementala dep ban pendep kene kajingtay ka Karbi Hampton bat on beteng banchna sa ka hostel bat ka complex. U Himanta Biswasarma ulong ba Kejela Meghalaya bat Assam klelong perlok naduk kesem syajar kendai sepak puar. Henry naduk balong Menteri Rangba u Conrad kongkal sangma bat mau kumu Menteri Rangba ke Assam kileshim kya shisha banekadan penbej uput usam rengkat kejingkerku nak Sarkar preng bat kilala ban penbej ya kijinga kaja. U Himanta Biswasarma ula kentui kipat ba ke Meghalaya bat Assam bagi dewansa kum ki para marjan menta lasai bat kipateng banwan. Kat bau Conrad kongkal sangma ulong ba ukerwo ubami na kene kejingalang kalong bandon ya kejingsuk hapadeng kipat ba kibasa akatan kaput kini gi arjela barwala kala bandon ka kendrum kendram maki emlang salang ndagi de benet trailang banwengi kini gijing e baro ulong babaro ki district council kebadan hakatan kini benet trailang dakawe kejingmut ban pendek pensa ya kalariti ka riti gedostor tenrai aktian ka theliet bat kibe-kibe. Ukondat kongkal sangma ulong ru baladai trailang dakawe gijingmut bat kemensiam onla baik banweng ya gijing e baro bat bani imlang da kemensiam kajingelong shpara.
Of inauguration of Karbi Hampton and also the laying of the foundation stone for the 100-bedded students hostel cum commercial building here at Shillong. At the very outset, I would like to congratulate Tuliramji and the entire members of the KAAC for having today achieved a great milestone of completion of this particular building, for which I know that for a very long time the Honorable CEM has been continuously monitoring, making multiple visits to Shillong and ensuring that the project finish as quickly as possible. So I would like to take this opportunity to congratulate him and the entire team of KAAC and of course Dr. Himanta Biswasarma ji, under whose leadership in the state of Assam, all different sections of society and all different areas and communities are getting the kind of support and attention that they deserve. And today's particular event is another shining example of his leadership and of his commitment to the people of Assam and also to the people of different communities, irrespective of which caste or creed or religion they belong to. But for all the people, his commitment to ensure that there is overall development of Assam and ensure that there is an inclusive development of Assam. So I thank him and congratulate him and Dr. Tuliram on this great achievement that has been done today out here. And I think by being together, by supporting each other, by being there in each other's programs, sends a very powerful message to the rest of the region and to the rest of the country. And therefore, I always urge, have conferences together, have programs together, have discussions on how you will document the different cultures, the languages, the different history of our people, create it, put it in document, put it in digital format. It's important that we do not lose our knowledge and our culture, and we do not forget our roots. And I think that is one of the most important things for each and every one of us, to never forget our identity, to never forget who we are, and to never forget our roots.
As I told you, that this is an important day for the people of Karbi. We have completed Himanta here in Shillong, and the next project, that commercial building, as well as 100-bedded student hostel, will also come sooner than later. People of Karbi has a long bond with the people of Meghalaya. We share our boundary and we are friends. That is why a Karbi Bhavan in Shillong is very, very important milestone for all of us. I believe that in days to come, in the same spirit of brotherhood, in the same spirit of Northeast, we will be able to resolve the remaining problem between us